What's going up, everybody? This is Jeff with Altcoin Buzz. So, I decided to make a video to talk about some of the most recent activity that I've done. Um, I'm rushing it a little bit because Tron, after hitting 3 cents here, wait, we look here at the daily. I did pick Tron up here at 3 cents, and it shot back up to 4 cents. So I was like, I gotta make this video because I don't want it to keep shooting up on me. Before it takes off. If it pulls back down to 3 cents, obviously, it's in my best interest personally for it to keep going up, being that I bought at 3 cents. But I'm saying for you guys, hopefully it peels back to 3 cents and you guys can jump back in for the next push up. But if it doesn't, it's not, buying at 4 cents is not as good as buying at 3 cents, obviously, especially when you're dealing with a high circulating supply. But I'm making this video because I jumped into Tron and I jumped into another cryptocurrency called Burst, and I'm just putting that out there to let you guys know what I'm up to. This is all my opinions and what I've been doing, but I'm putting it out there because you guys asked me, Jeff, what are you looking at? What are you up to? And here it is. I'm putting it out. So take a look at Tron here. Tron is a very popular cryptocurrency at the moment. It's got a big community. A lot of people are big on Tron right now. It's a trustworthy application, smart contracts empowered by blockchain digital value issued and obtained by everyone in next area of Web 4.0. So Web 3.0 is blockchain. This is Web 4.0. It's a blockchain-based decentralized protocol that aims to construct a worldwide free content entertainment system with the blockchain and distributed storage technology. The protocol allows each user to freely publish, store, and own data, and in the decentralized autonomous form decides the distribution, subscription, and push of contents, and enables content creators by releasing, circulating, and dealing with digital assets. So I took out a position on this Tron. I've been following it for a couple days, and I know there's a big community behind Tron, as many of you guys continually ask me about Tron. So I'm trying to hurry up and get this video out in case it keeps going up. Let's see. Okay, cool. So it's kind of stabilizing. Like I said, it's in my best interest for it to keep on shooting up. So this just shows you guys, when it goes from 4 cents to 3 cents, I don't panic. In fact, I'm okay with it going lower because I'll buy more. But you guys, if it goes up past if it goes below where you pass, some of you guys are like, hey, Jeff, should I sell and get into Cardano? It looks like it's going to the moon. Oh man, those are some funny comments. But I'm not picking on you guys. I'm really not. I'm saying like, stop and halt. That's what they say. And halt. That means stop what you're doing. Let's reevaluate what you're doing. You don't take losses in a bull market. Okay? And if it becomes, I guess you could call this is not a bear market, but when it goes to like a temporary bearish kind of climate, you accumulate, you pick up, it's a buying opportunity. So you can pick this up on Binance, you can pick it up on CoinNest, CoinEgg, Liquid, BitZ, HitBTC, Mercatox, it's out there. It's definitely a popular cryptocurrency, and it's on a dip right now. Now, obviously, you would have wanted to get in this way back when, but I missed it way back when. I didn't get in it like I got in Verge. But yeah, market's starting to pick up a little bit. We'll see if that's if the market gives us a Christmas present. That'll be nice, right? Like, what are you guys going to do if the market's up to $600 billion and all your cryptocurrencies in the green? That'll be a pretty cool Christmas, right? I mean, at least for the sake of everybody, like, let's see it all in the green, even if it peels back the next day, I guess. But if it can all be in the green so everyone can enjoy their Christmas, that'd be cool, because I know many of you would be having a hard time with something where a lot of things are in the red. So let's hope the whales are not being jerks, right? Trying to take a bunch of money off the table at Christmas. Who knows? Maybe people are getting. Maybe people are like, hey, bro, let me give you some Bitcoin for Christmas. Let's sign up for Coinbase. Here, let's do it real quick. I'll give you $1,000 in Bitcoin. Bam. All right, so who knows? Maybe people are going to get gifted a bunch of Bitcoin, and the market will go up on Christmas. But we'll see. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 43.4%, and I got Tron. I got it on a dip. It's been as high as 6 cents, or was it 7 cents? Look at even the Satoshis. If you're counting it by Satoshis, it's kind of keeping par with everything. So that's cool to see. It hasn't been 7 cents yet, but it does have a high circulating supply and a high total supply, but the market cap still has a lot of room to grow. And I would say it's not unlikely in 2017 or 2018 at some point to reach a $10 billion market cap, okay? That seems totally feasible. And I say that because, look, this is getting a lot of Korean won. There's an injection from Korea And so you combine U.S. interest with Asia interest, and you'll have a juggernaut, and that's Tron. That's why I'm saying calling for a pretty nice price market cap, because you got the duo, the do factor, not the trifecta. If the trifecta was involved, I guess we would see some like Saudi dinar, or the cryptocurrency out of the UAE. I'm still waiting on those guys to get involved. I know you guys want me to talk about Dubai coin, but it's just a matter of time before Saudis, the sheikhs, and the big dollars coming out of the Middle East start getting involved. And you know, we'll see what's up with some of the EU, the euros. I'm not seeing too much of the euros. I think that's the Russian ruble, I believe. So we'll see if some of these other currencies get involved, or are even allowed to get involved. I mean, you don't see any Chinese renminbi or Chinese yen on here, or the yuan. I apologize, yuan, Japanese yen. But yeah, this cryptocurrency definitely, I just scooped it up, and that's what I'm up to. And I also just jumped into this Burst. I jumped into Burst here recently at 5 cents, so I bought it here on the dip. I bought it around about this price, and then it just shot up on me. Like I said, I'm okay with it peeling back if you guys can jump in, but I jumped in here. So if it peels back, it's a good thing, because then you guys can jump in and join the run with me. But sitting at 6 cents now on this, all of a sudden, this nice little pump up, you know, I'm not as bullish on it as I was, because we're dealing with, you know, high circulating supplies, and for it to go from 5 cents to 6 cents is kind of a big thing. You know, that's almost 20% gain just like that. Now, obviously, if I was day trading it, I'd be like, hey, I'll sell right now, but I'm not doing that. I'm not doing pump and dumps, okay? I'm not doing that. I don't have an interest. I'd like to see where this thing's at in a month, okay? Maybe I'll consider forking it or not. I don't know. But I'm not trying to do pump and dumps, me personally. Okay, so here's John McAfee. He has talked about Burst, okay? He just talked about Redcoin, but I believe the other day he talked about Burst. Let's see here. Let's see, where's Burst? Burst onto the scene. There it is. Burst. First truly green coin and most overlooked coin. Uses 400 times less power than Bitcoin. Super secure and private. Includes smart contracts, encrypted messaging, decentralized wallet, libertine blockchain, most undervalued coin, burstcoin.org. So if we go here to the website, by the way, guys, John McAfee's doing a coin a day in case you're new to the channel. You can also follow us, altcoinbuzz.io. And yeah, so I'm just putting this information out there for you guys. He has not talked about Tron. So if he talks about Tron, I believe that I wouldn't be surprised if he starts talking about Tron at some point. I saw people on there saying, hey, John, what about Tron? So if he talks about Tron and you're holding a position, typically what's ending up happening is these are going up. But this isn't financial advice. You guys need to do your own research and make your own decisions, because no one's putting a gun to your head telling you to do anything. It's up to you. I'm just sharing information with you about what I see in the community. So Burst Coin, your new cryptocurrency, your new currency, secure. Burst is built with the blockchain technology, meaning that transactions are secured by military-grade cryptography. Be your own bank without the stress. Being that I'm a military guy, I know about military-grade anything. And usually, more often than not, military grade means high grade. So, you know, I like military grade cryptography. We used to call them cryptographers. Yeah, that was what they were, cryptographers. Anyway, fast. Burst coins can easily be sent anywhere in the world in minutes for almost non-existent fees. You do not need slow and expensive banks anymore. Burst is ruled by its network of users and cannot be altered by governments, financial institutions, or any single entity, unlike fiat currencies. Energy efficient and green mining. A blockchain-based cryptocurrency depends on its users securizing the network by following a complicated algorithm, actively validating each transaction. This activity is called mining, and because of that, the entire Bitcoin network now consumes more energy than a number of countries. With Burst and its proof of capacity algorithm using free disk space instead of energy-consuming CPUs and GPUs, mining barely uses more energy than just leaving your computer on. You know, if you just leave your computer on, it overheats. Your wife or your girlfriend's like, what is going on with your computer always making that noise and all these fans? So something like this is a little bit different. You come on here, check it out. Proof of capacity, resources, roadmap. Let's take a look at the roadmap real quick. I just liked what I saw, so I jumped in. I took out a pretty nice size position, but then again, it doesn't take a lot of money to take out a pretty nice size position. You know, I wish I was like a whale and I could just dump $10,000 into something like this, right? But I'm not a whale. I'm looking to grow my grow my wealth, but I guess I could put a full Bitcoin in it, but then that means I wouldn't have a full Bitcoin, which I'm just holding on to. So you can get it on Bittrex using BTC. I'm really concerned this thing's going to start taking off and it's going to be too late for you guys to jump in. But anyways, guys, so it's on Bittrex. I'm going to hurry up and pump this video out there.